Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate a Metrobank ATM card in 2026. Now, in order to activate it, first of all, you need to come here on the official website of Metrobank. Now, when you are over here, what you need to do is, you need to simply click on the option of login first on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to provide your login credentials and then simply log in into your account. Now, when you log in either inside your mobile application or on the website, you just have to simply look for the option of activate card on the dashboard. So you will find it on the dashboard itself. So you just have to tap on that, then simply input your 6-digit passcode in order to confirm that activation. So some of the accounts may require you to provide the OTP confirmation, face verifications, or even device verification. So once it is approved, the application usually confirms the activation instantly. Now you can also insert that ATM card into the Metrobank ATM and then you can enter the temporary PIN if provided. Now the ATM may automatically ask you to activate your card or create a new PIN. After setting the PIN successfully, the card is normally becomes active for withdrawals, balance checks, and purchases. So that's how you can activate it. You can also simply check for the SMS or the phone activation instructions on your card. You can call them and then you can ask them to activate your card. So that is also another option that you can try. So you can try these and see if it is activated successfully. Thank you.